If your GMC Acadia dash is flashing like a Christmas tree while the engine refuses to turn over, don't panic yet. Statistically, 85% of these cases are simply due to a battery that can't hold a steady load. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where your electrical connection is failing. Start by checking for loose or corroded battery terminals, which are the most common cause of rapid clicking and flashing. If the battery tests fine, you are likely looking at a failing starter solenoid or a loose engine ground strap. On these Acadia models, moisture near the body control module can also cause strange dash behavior and starting issues. You can handle the battery and fuses yourself, but complex wiring or module programming requires a professional scan tool. Expect to pay around $180 for a new battery, while a full BCM replacement can exceed $700. Use a multimeter to watch the voltage drop during a crank attempt. Anything below 10 volts indicates a dead cell. Keep a 10mm wrench and a wire brush in your glove box to handle terminal issues on the fly. Remember, modern electronics are sensitive. Clean power is essential to keep the dash from glitching out. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit that subscribe button for more GMC troubleshooting guides.